Hello and welcome to Powerdirector tutorials. So in this tutorial video, I am going to show you how to create very effective freeze frame effect using the Powerdirector. The freeze frame effect is particularly useful when you want to highlight a particular frame in your video. So here we have a short video as a sample where a bus is coming from the far side towards us and turn right and goes to its destination. So let's add a small freeze frame effect in this video. So don't click here. So close this window. So once you select to do that, first you select the frame and click on the designer and action camera center. So now the action camera center will load. So depending on your computer speed, it may take a few seconds. So let's give it a few seconds for the video to load. So once what we are going to do here is first we'll decide a frame where you exactly want to apply the freeze frame effect, and once you decide that frame, you fix that frame, and then we will apply the effect. You can have more than one keyframes, and we can apply more than one freeze frame effects in one video clip. So let's see how we can do this. So now the action camera center, we have our video loaded. So now what we have to do is we have to play this video and we have to post the video exactly where you want to apply the effect. So let's see the video once again. So this video bus is coming and the bus is turning towards right. So let's see where you can use the seek bar in the below the video to determine the exact frame where you want to apply the effect. So let's apply the effect in this point. So once you pause the video, click on the add keyframe just above the frames. So once you click on that one, you will see a yellow dot on the frame. Once you have the yellow dot, that means that is a keyframe. Next is you can apply the duration of your freeze frame effect. So now I apply 2 seconds. And if you want to do a zoom on your video, you can apply the zoom also. Click on the below the zoom, and you can decide where you want to have the zoom. You can move that arrows, move that box, and you can decide if you want to apply the zoom on your first play or the second play. Once you've done that, you click OK and you are done. So it may take some seconds based on your computer, and now we are done. Let's play the video and see how the effect is coming. So just click play. Now the video is playing. So the bus is coming towards us. Then suddenly the bus stops and it zooms. Then zooms back. Then again it continues towards its destination. So this is how we apply freeze frame in Powerdirector. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more of my videos. Thank you for watching.